Today, we're revealing the top 3 fruits that can make you look and feel younger. We'll break down the nutrients they contain, how they combat aging, and even give you some quick recipes to incorporate them into your meals. Stay tuned till the end to discover a fruit that not only fights aging, but could also boost your memory and concentration. Fruit number 3, oranges. Did you know that just one orange has enough vitamin C to cover your needs for 2 whole days? Talk about a power fruit. Oranges are like the popular kids of the fruit world, loved by everyone and easy to find. They come from sunny Southeast Asia and have made their way into fruit bowls across the globe. You've probably heard of the common ones like the Valencia, great for juice, or the Navel, which is perfect for snacking. These round, juicy treats are like natural vitamin bombs, especially packed with vitamin C, even more than what's in a lemon. Think of oranges as your body's personal bodyguards. They're fantastic at helping you fight off those annoying colds and sniffles. Plus, they're like a broom for your blood, sweeping away the bad stuff that can clog your arteries. And for those who keep an eye on their sugar levels, oranges are like a steady hand, keeping things balanced. Now let's talk about keeping you looking young. Oranges are like a secret weapon against the little damages that happen in our cells every day, the kind that can make us look older. They're full of substances that protect cells from damage, like a shield against tiny invaders that can cause harm. And for keeping your skin bouncy and touchable, oranges help out by supporting your body's collagen. That's the stuff that keeps your skin from sagging. So, how do you get these orangey goodies into your day? It's easy. Peel one and eat it as a snack, or throw some slices into your lunch salad for a sweet, tangy twist. And hey, have you ever tried orange slices on grilled chicken? Delicious. Just remember, while orange juice is tasty, it's a bit like a watered-down version of the fruit. You miss out on the good fiber, and it's often got extra sugar. So, munching on the whole fruit is the way to go. To sum up, oranges are not just a sweet treat. They're like your body's own team of superheroes, keeping you healthy, helping you fight off germs, and making sure you look as young as you feel. Next time you pass by these orange globes at the store, grab a bunch. Your future self will thank you for it. Fruit number 2, strawberries. Strawberries are like the summer's sweet gift to us, showing up in gardens and stores when the sun starts to shine more. They're not just a treat to eat, but also a bundle of goodness for your body. Think of them as nature's candy that's actually good for you. They're juicier and tastier when they're in season, usually from April to June. And here's a fun fact. Strawberries pack a bigger punch of vitamin C than an orange. That's right, these little red gems can help keep your body feeling spry and lively. Eating strawberries is like giving your stomach a helping hand. They have fiber, which means they help keep your belly happy and running smoothly. But that's not all. They're also great for your brain. Have you ever had a day where your thoughts feel as clear as a bell? Strawberries can help with that because they're full of good stuff that keeps your brain sharp. Now let's talk about keeping you looking as fresh as a daisy. Strawberries have special substances that protect your cells from damage, the kind of damage that can make you look older. These substances are like little bodyguards for your cells, keeping them healthy and young. And for your skin, strawberries are a bit like a magic potion. They help your body make collagen, which keeps your skin smooth and stretchy. So, munching on strawberries could help you say goodbye to those pesky wrinkles. Wondering how to get these red beauties into your diet? It's a piece of cake. You can toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them on their own as a snack. And if you're feeling creative, why not whip up some homemade strawberry jam? It's a sweet way to spread the love. Strawberries are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. They make for a delicious snack on their own, but can also be added to salads for a sweet and tangy flavor. Smoothies are another excellent way to consume strawberries. Just blend them with other fruits and some yogurt for a nutritious drink. If you're into cooking, strawberries can be made into jams that can be spread on toast or used as a filling for desserts. However you choose to enjoy them, strawberries are a delightful addition to your diet. To sum up, strawberries are a nutrient-rich fruit that originated in Europe. They offer numerous health benefits, including aiding gut health and supporting brain function. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, they are excellent for anti-aging, particularly for maintaining skin elasticity. They can be enjoyed in various ways, from snacks to jams. Fruit number 1. Kiwi, often called the Chinese gooseberry, started off in China and has since made its way into fruit bowls all over the world, including places like New Zealand and sunny California. You might see green kiwis most often, but there's also a golden variety, each with its own sweet taste. Now, here's a fun fact to kick things off. Kiwi packs a bigger punch of vitamin C than an orange. That's right, this little fruit is a vitamin C champion. Kiwi is like a mini health warrior for your stomach. It's full of fiber, which means it helps keep your digestion running smoothly. No more feeling bloated or uncomfortable after meals. And when it comes to keeping you from getting sick, Kiwi's got your back. It's like having a tiny shield inside you, thanks to all that vitamin C, helping you fend off those pesky colds. Let's talk about keeping your skin looking young. Kiwi is like a secret agent for your cells, packed with substances that protect them from damage, the kind of damage that can make your skin look older. And for keeping your skin plump and bouncy, Kiwi's got that covered too. It helps your body make collagen, which is like the springiness in a brand new mattress for your skin. Now, you might not have thought about this, but you can actually eat the skin of the kiwi. It's a bit fuzzy, sure, but it's full of extra goodness that keeps your gut happy. Just give it a good wash and try it out. Or chop up some kiwi into a fruit salad for a tropical twist. Or throw it into a blender for a zesty smoothie bowl topping. It's an easy way to add a splash of youthfulness to your diet. Have you ever tried eating kiwi with the skin on? Drop a comment and let us know how you like to enjoy this superfruit. We've explored the top 3 anti-aging fruits: oranges, strawberries, and kiwi. Each of these fruits offers unique anti-aging benefits, from boosting collagen production to fighting free radicals. So the next time you're grocery shopping, don't forget to grab these fruits.